Unlock unparalleled project efficiency by seamlessly integrating Gemini Nano Banana into your workflow. First, let's initiate the integration. Access your project management dashboard and navigate to the AI Tools section here. You'll find the option to connect external AI models. Select Gemini Nano Banana. From the available integrations, you'll be prompted to enter your API credentials. This is a crucial step to establish a secure connection between your project environment and the Gemini Nano Banana AI. Once connected, observe how Gemini Nano Banana begins to enhance your workflow. It can automatically analyze project documentation, identify potential bottlenecks, and suggest optimized task sequencing. Leverage specific commands to harness its power. For instance, you can instruct it to summarize recent progress, generate creative marketing taglines, or identify conflicting requirements. These commands aren't just for task automation. They're catalysts for innovation. Gemini Nano Banana can also assist with technical tasks, offering insights for code enhancement or suggesting alternative approaches to complex problems. Consider collaborative applications. Imagine a scenario where your team uses Gemini Nano Banana to simultaneously brainstorm solutions, with the AI providing objective analysis and data-driven recommendations in real time. This synergy between your team and Gemini Nano Banana leads to significantly optimized project outcomes, fostering greater efficiency and driving superior results.